In the next 6 to 7 years, India should be coasting at $5,000 per capita income.
How do you want investors to think about this consumption sector?
The basic rule of compounding is that the next doubler comes in half the time.
Nice to be talking to you. So in the last 10 years, we've seen the performance, the data. CAGR returns of this sector, of the consumption sector, is almost equal to another big sector, financials. Pharma, of course, has yielded less than maybe half of what consumption has yielded. In the last 3 years, again, the returns of the consumption sector are equivalent to financial services and pharma. IT has yielded less. And this sector, we all know, is much less volatile, maybe half as volatile as some of the other secular sectors, that I mentioned. How do you want investors to think about this consumption sector?
So very interesting. So I'll just want to step back a little. So India is by far one of the fastest growing consumption markets in the world today. India household consumption number, really, it has doubled in the last 10-12 years to almost about $2.5 trillion, which gives you a growth rate of about 7.5%, not looking so great, but it's much faster than US, much faster than China, Germany. So by far the fastest growing. You talked about per capita income in your opening remark. So per capita income wise, we have just crossed $2,400. You have doubled per capita income from 2008 to 2019 from $1,000 to $2,000. The basic rule of compounding is that the next doubler comes in half the time. So all said and done, if we don't go to war and there is no substantial black swan event, logically in the next 6 to 7 years, India should be coasting at $5,000 per capita income. But the bigger story really is not that. The bigger story is that at some point when we cross $3,500, maybe 2 years down, somebody would write about it that India has a potential to get to $10,000 as an optionality. So in the next 10 to 12 years, India has the optionality to go 4x in per capita income. And I think this theme of consumption or sector that you call it mirrors that per capita income trend perfectly. If you want to capture that, this is one of the big ways to sort of capture this.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.